Hello and welcome to IndianMoney.com's YouTube channel. My name is Fayaz. Why do we invest in gold? We as Indians are programmed and we are wired to invest in gold because for us youngsters, our parents always tell us on every Dhanteras or every Diwali or any particular festival, it is considered to be very auspicious if you invest in gold. And maybe that's the reason why we still invest in gold. Or does it have much more deeper significance? Well, gold was actually used as a medium of transaction even before the Britishers came in our country. It was used as a medium of transaction in the medieval time when paper currency was not very prominent. And even today, gold is one of the most significant type of investment that you should definitely have in your portfolio, because this particular chart which is coming up on the screen will prove you how gold prices have increased over the years, and also it's going to increase in the coming years as well. So without a further ado, let's get to the table. So if you notice over here, in the year 1964, 10 grams of gold, 1 tola of gold was rated around 64 rupees. In the year 2001, let's take another like 40 years jump. In the year 2001, 10 grams of gold was now costing around 4,300 rupees. In the year 2011, another 10 years gap, gold started costing at around 26,400 rupees per tola per 10 grams. And in the year 2019, 10 grams gold was sold at least 35,000 rupees. And this year, presently, gold is being traded roughly at around 52,000, 51,000 rupees per tola. Now, what does this show? Every year on year, gold has always been increasing, and the prices of gold has increased in the past also, which means that in the future also we can expect that the prices of gold will definitely be increasing. So even if you are thinking whether you should be investing today or not, then let me tell you that you should definitely invest today, because just like how rupees 64 is looking very nominal right now, maybe 40 years down the line rupees 52,000 will look very nominal. So you should definitely consider investing in gold, because there is another good reason why gold has been one of the most cushioning factors when it comes to having it in your investment portfolio, is because every time Nifty has done very bad, gold has actually come to the rescue, and this particular chart which is coming up on the screen will actually prove you that. So if you notice over here in the blue color, it's basically the gold prices which have risen over the years, and in the black over here we are signifying the rates of or the changes of the Nifty. So if you notice over here, 2008 gold prices were very low, but at the same time Nifty was at its all-time high. Now cut to 2014, now the gold, when the stock market, when the Nifty was actually not in a very good state, it was actually a little low, but at the same time gold was picking up. And now cut to the next point straight away. Let's come to 2020, when Nifty was actually had crashed. It has gone to its all-time low, and since the pandemic had hit our economy, everything was not very good, and the companies were getting shut down, people were getting laid off. In that scenario, in those situations, look how gold picked up. Gold almost reached up to like 52,000, almost it was very close by to like 55,000. So what does this signify? Every time Nifty goes down, gold actually comes to the rescue, and gold, that's why it is said that you should have at least 10% of your portfolio invested in gold. For example, if you have 1 lakh rupees worth of money which you want to invest, you should at least invest 10,000 rupees worth of amount in gold. It can be investing in sovereign gold bond, it can be investing in gold ETF, it can be investing in gold coins. You should try and avoid investing in gold jewelry, because you will not be able to get the best price when you're actually going to sell out that particular instrument or that particular ornament. So it is suggested that you need to invest in either digital gold or sovereign gold bonds or any other kind of like digital coin. Not digital, I mean the regular coins. So I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please make sure you leave your feedbacks in the comment section. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you share it with your friends and family as well. And if you have any suggestions, any feedbacks to improve us, let us know in the comment section. And if you haven't downloaded the Financial Freedom app, please do that as well. The link of this app is provided in the description box. My name is Fayaz, and you're watching IndianMoney.com.